Hello guys, welcome to our channel Cyber Kapoor. Today I will tell you how to install extensions in any browser very easily. So please follow all the steps, don't skip any step. Okay, so let's start. So firstly, open your browser you have. So I use Brave browser. Then click on the three lines. There, see at the last there are three lines. Click on this and search the extensions. See, the extension is there. Click on this. See the web store. There are direct link. Click on the web store. See the page is there. If you didn't have this link, direct link, then search Google. Search Chrome extensions. Chrome extensions. See, Chrome web browser. You can also search Chrome web browsers. See, you can search which extension do you want to install in your PC. So I want to install this Google Intro Tools. Click on this and then see this option, add to Brave. If you use Chrome browser, then the option is add to the Chrome. Which browser you, then click on this add to Brave. Then click on add extensions. Wait for the 2 minutes. So guys, congratulations, you have done it. See, click on the extensions. I have installed these extensions. So guys, if you like our video, then like, subscribe our channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Your Cyber Kapoor.